guys, I have my cat right there and my dog right there. I have a quick video for you today on a few little touches that I gave to my house just here and there for Valentine's. I did buy a couple of things at the Dollar Tree to just give it a little touch. And so I hope that you will join me for that today. I also have a couple of other videos coming up that I hope that you will join me for. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will do that. Consider subscribing, hitting the subscribe button, and becoming a part of my channel. I hope that you enjoy the video, and I hope to see you soon in my next one. Take good care. Mwah. Bye. So I bought a pack of these foam hearts at the dollar store, and they have pink, red, and purple, and they're rather large in size. They're about 6 or 7 inches. I have a little round table outside by my front door that I am attempting to make a cute little tablecloth for. So I am going to hot glue those together. I think that looks really pretty. And then I'm gonna get this book that I have of really nice different papers. I bought this at Michael's a while ago on sale, and I'm gonna pick one and cut a circle and just hot glue that to the center of my tablecloth. I don't decorate a whole lot for Valentine's Day, but I do like to give my house a little touch of Valentine's. So I also want to show you these 2 little guys that I found at the dollar store. I think they're so cute. I'll show you those in a minute, and I think this turned out really pretty. Here they are. Aren't they adorable? And they have like a sweater on, and they're so well made. I kid you not. You would never be able to tell that I got these for $1.25 each. I also had bought this sign, and it's super blingy and colorful. Be My Valentine, that's going on my front door. And now I'm going to take one of the foam hearts, and I'm going to write Love is in the Air on that with just a Sharpie magic marker, and then I'm going to use some Mod Podge to brush it around the edge of the heart and just sprinkle some pretty glitter on that. And I think this turned out rather cute. Next, I bought some containers that are really puffy hearts, and they're not attached at all, but I want to make a garland with these containers. And I also bought a string of heart lights, which are really cute. So I am going to use some some pink ribbon and make a garland for my fireplace with this, and I will show you how I do that. So there are 10 little heart bulbs in this string of lights. I am going to use 5 of these container hearts and cover 5 of the heart lights with them. So I will put a container heart on every other heart light. And then, of course, I will have some container hearts left over, which I will attach with some pink ribbon to each of the sides. I think it's going to turn out rather cute. So I will show you how this garland turned out at the end of the video and how it looks on my fireplace. Next, I am going to try to make this little arrangement that I have in my dining room table, give it a little bit of a touch of Valentine's. I bought 2 packs of these heart picks. I got one in red and I got one in pink, and I'm gonna insert some of these hearts in the flower arrangement in my dining room table and also on the one I have in my living room. And I think this looks kind of pretty, don't you? Now let me take you around and show you how I was able to decorate my house for Valentine's with just a few dollars. So I hope that you will join me for my next videos. I have a few crafts coming up. I was requested to make a makeup video, so I'm going to do that also. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.